khona lo layini eniwuthanda bosisi njalo mangabe umuntu wesifazane ebe isisulu esandleni zomuntu wesilisa othi noma ngabe benzeni kodwa akekho umuntu unelungelo lokumbulala noma besingekho isidingo sokumbulala. Yabona lo layini ususa bonke ubuhlungu esisuke sinabo ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi khona umuntu onquma ukuthi kungcono ukuthatha umphefumulo womunye ngoba nakho babe nokungazwani ebudlalwaneni babo. Ila siqala khona sithi shosho wenze kahle ambulala ngoba kunombuzo osalayo othi okusho ukuthi ukhona nelungelo lokuhlukumeza omunye kodwa kushuthi kufuneka angaphenduli okanye meqeda ukumhlukumeza nizomkalela noma ukalela ukuthi kumele aphendule kanjani ebuhlungwini asuke ziswe bona. Ebese masibuza ukuthi konje kwenzekeni azambulala niqhamuke nithi sifuna ukujustify imatter, niqhamuke sithi we are condoning evil men's actions towards women. Kodwa intombazane ishisa uPhakamani ngeacid yanakala ingane yomfazi eyinhle nifuna ukwazi ukuthi what led to the actions of the woman as a shisa uPhakamani. Nize nisho nithi ubengeka amsukele khona into ayenzile eyukuthi nani madoda niyahluka. Abanye come out basitshela ukuthi njalo mangabe kukhona umuntu wesilisa ohlukumezekile bayajabula. Ebese kuba lama organizations atayanilwela umsuzo le yanto because wena ususemushwara lesikhathi bethi bayakulwela enkantolo ngisho indoda ingathola 50 years okusala wena ufile. And uzwazi ukuthi lama organizations anama funders. Those organizations are held by the founders, and those founders take money from the funders. It's all for social media, nothing else. But ngoba ukutshelwa izinto enifuna ukuzizwa ezisuke zibheke eceleni ngamadoda noma khona okwehlela umuntu wesifazane kunenza nizizwe ngathi nibakhulu kunathi niyoqhubeka nenze izinto ezingalungile kuma relationships, nenze izinto ezingalungile emadodeni. Okubuhlungu amadoda asazonibulala. These organizations founders and funders won't be there. Abalali nawe kini, abalali nawe lapho emjolweni wakho usukuwedwa and uzofa wedwa. Kodwa qhubekani. Engifuna nikwazi ukuthi lama organizations enza imali ngobuhlungu benu, enza imali ngokufa kwenu. Uma Mabhubesi edla izimvu zakho awucela Mabhubesi ukuthi aye ukudla izimvu, uvalele izimvu zakho khona zingazophuma ziye Mabhubesini. That's how you deal with issues from the court route. What it is exactly that has made amadoda angry to the extent of resorting to killing women whenever there are issues in relationships? That's the question we should be dwelling on. Hayi leyo ukuthi indoda yangampela ibulali uzowathatha amadoda angampela because niwabulela amadoda awadlali ayanibulala futhi nizoloko ncwatshwa nje because you are so ignorant. Ongangoba nincamela ukuthi ningafa as long as nina nizoqhubeka nilalela amagama enduduzo from these organizations founders. They anenza nigcine nizizwe ngathi nibakhulu kunabantu besilisa kwanele lokho. Way